Next thing we'll do is we'll actually get our water going. So I'm going to take my pan with the steamer insert in it, and I'll show you why in a second. I want to make sure that there's still, like you can see when I poured the water in there, it went all the way. Is that there is just enough room in the bottom to where the water is not coming over the holes in the bottom of the steamer insert. I want the water to come up about a half an inch or so over the top of that. Just like that. The reason being is that as it starts to boil, as it comes to a boil, it'll cook that out. You need to monitor this very carefully while you're doing it, because what can happen is you can cook all the water to the bottom of your pan, and if that happens, you're going to ruin your pan, and that would be bad. So I've got my heat over here on high, and when I see some steam coming out, I'll know I've hit the right point, and I'll just monitor that. But I'll go ahead and get this started first, just because the last thing you want to do is have everything oil to steam your crab legs. So that being said, let's go ahead and move on to the sauces.